was here, baby, I'm a St. Charles Basic School. A was Sunyana Watchman. Na Mahua Dibia Mahua Dream Yepa. Wabra Meko, a Mincru and Mincraseno. Maybe two school na me who say ye wo BBC and as a sanitary part ewa ha nti no me hu ya na me nim say moton be me twe ben ye inquiries na me inquiries na ke say a free sanitary part ya ke say student bia we oba obu nsa owo school oba school ha no you get access to a free sanitary part when anase wabra abubu nsa nti we ne gisam kesi ya mababehu na me bie mu encourage kakra about how this initiative came by na initiative we no allen say me bra ba ko panyin bia wo this initiative we by enti no bosumi bia no be restock bosumi bia no they come to restock it enti no na me bra no so adi nkomo so this is St. Charles Basic School wo Sunyana Watchman enti no me ba wabra be share interview nas. Okay, Abusia, this is the man behind this initiative. My person no be boni din na wache the reason or the main idea behind this initiative. Brapa you saying?
Pacho nyako pa dum na so ya.
Boko. Na ifro saying?
E pacho edin ma wo fo e de wo meto me Michael Edwards Kosi. But oba ye important ha draw na frame me Bradia anase Papa Sunyane.
Bradia
anase Papa Sunyane.
Ana Papa Sunyane.
Yes sir.
I guess we Sunyane, right?
Well, menye Sunyane say native say obi kasi obi Sunyane as be a ofri Sunyane. But
you grew up
Sunyane na matna do na hwe mi mfie. Se America and ko bi atna ho more than 15 years and 10 years and 20 years kwan citizen. Okay. It is a citizen of Sunyane.
Okay.
But originally there menye Sunyane ni. But I had ma wa.
Una you the brain behind sa adie ya hu ai.
Paper cho. Mane.
Na school enko na ye school a why bu mu ana say there are other schools or why bu.
Okay, me da say didi kan ma memfa ncha kese ema wahwefo ne watiefo na me na wase say ubehu adi watwe aben ya opese wiase nyina ehu if you say adi we hu no hai yese kwa cha de fe ye disika ena eyo nti me da wase ene akonya sonko udwumadi a wudi wo man mu no ade a eso ani yi nti yenso adon bi na ato yeso yenso yenya akonya be pie ofidi kese so
okay
didi kan say dem me bo me din no me ye Adoyeku bi founder Adoyeku ni friend of Bradia Foundation.
Bradia.
Yes. Na yedi njuma die wo Sunyane Bono Regional Hinkrum ene ni nkurase bata ho.
Okay.
Na project we ya ohui sanitary party njuma ya do njuma die ni bi a friend the free sanitary pad policy. Okay. Na njuma die no na ye itrimu po ene so de hu ne se sebe ya wo yenkrum ho ye ko yenkrum kitwa no mu a sanitary pad ahu ha ya de bia emofra na maya no struggle yi ansana omatimi ato.
Okay.
Idru sele maya na bibia ko onchima so a omode ensagone ne ma bia enya hygienic ene sisi wo ho nti yakwa gidifo yakwa Christopher no ya fa to so say Bradia Foundation de ne betima ya boa kura ani community ayi hom eno na akofa sa adwuma de ewe aba enti yehu se sanitary pad ne tono na ye problem ema ya no dia ade we ya hunu ha yi ye frɛ no sanitary pad cabinet.
Okay.
Eno no ya stock sanitary pads no ewom na ye de ema school no enti ukod mistress no kra ne office na sa ade we ewo.
Okay.
Enti abaya no edunu chima breso a na sabi waka chega cha coordinator ne say madam anabia mistress say na watimanya access to sanitary pad kwa obi anyi ni ska.
Enti akra no bosome nso a meka say high basic school.
Yes sir.
Enti meka say student na omo bu omo nsa no say bosome nso a ni han so obekọ na headmistress and say ne teacher ni ho.
Exactly.
Madam Pacho bia me bosome aba.
Exactly.
Enti me hian sanitary pad. Nti ko omo nji ska.
Kwa free ya hwe se Bradia Foundation and abusa enya school a edikan a yabani St. Charles Luanga Basic School ewo Ochman sunyane East constituency in Pontem hono nya no nko ani yahwe benu nkwanta yahwe kyereme krom ewo kyiriboja so di hunu sesebe nkrom ketwa ahokyere wo ho o ntimi no saa nkrom nyina na schools wo nyina no ye be supply nti ejumadi a ekoso no kreni ye hia manfo mbo sebe ya saa burden no saa ya hawo no ebetime ye free nuam nkuma maya no so sebe ya omutimi ne mrante no atima suade abom ukonkron kitwa no moduru ba bia abaya no woni chima bremu a onko school and onim say wanko school so asebe enya ade be ka say adwa ana kua ya Angelina Jennifer wa masculinity and ye nsuade be suade go achi enti yeso ye ya aboa sebe ya abaya no ochima oba school no na pad no wo ho na ankoye se oni pad nti watimi ama school
enti mami mi sa we no wo sponsors bi a mode ebrewa ana say make us out of our platform na watimi dey agada e bibi we ana say then wo sponsors na wo sponsors so a for na sponsor wo sponsors so a then na abeka chi bi obi o hwe
medase bio said me kai no kwacha de fe irisika no ye ade we ya ohun ankra eni ya njumadi a ye sika akra ye nya no ni atiti bi ato ho na ye de aye njumadi we na adofo ankra bi mu so yankopon de to akoma so a na waboa brother foundation na yenso yeah because ani ma we osanka aban bi kura na fato no so say sebe oyi sa aka no every ye maya so said aban bi introduce free senior high school policy no and ka ban introduce the free sanitary pad policy so na me chono sebe yanka maya no enwen pad sem kura ho to oba school no aban provided that ba aban nyanya sa de no na brother foundation and na boafo ne sebe wona owakoma pa so be ya doye e kan bom na sa adwumade we yaye
nti meka say so far na de wunni se bia company bi say na sponsor because we me who say as a soft care product ni nti wunni company bi ase bia soft care for na sponsor ana bibi say na omo na omo de bro na be individual na wankasa won ho odi mu na wo de
pacho be das we ya hunu ha e wo Ghana dwaman so yeto ne company bi na sponsor sebe obedum ye taku kapre sempoa na eso de aka ho ne akwadwa manso ne akoto we FDA certified Ghana ban ja tum say ho te abaya betima yusu enye product ba ko ye kwa de wo dwaman so bi ya sika betima to bia no ne ato say soft care o say always o say ya so I mean sanitary pad I ma ya yusu
because recently me ho videos bi na me say other products bi so ho no mo a ukọ na wa ye dem na wa chamo but this is a very good initiative but mami say are you open for sponsorship say we person a company bi so ba say na wo ye na ni ji ho nti ono so person not a company as such but individual bi so say oh me supposed me bia no me ya are you open for such
postman me da say empire kesi aye bo ano no say corporate entities be ankra be politician be impanyimfo be asofo be sabi wona bi wo nsam society no beka say mujumadi amudi adwuma pa ntino brand no e be boa mo we are open for that kind of sponsorship and say ankra be donate to this cause ya dia ye bompa ye pa nti ya be pure fidie yesu yenim say amanfo be hwe na waboa na sa adwumadi because ye pese in fact
must spread it widely
to kro bia mu asabi ahokyere wo ho bia no nke etimi edru ho na onya sa mo nti say e ka obi akoma no be boa in fact ye ni baji ye pa empire ye boa no no
pa ma on fa number to dwa sakra na ya to so nti o fa number to dwa just give your number out individual be na obi wa any company obi wo hono ma maybe why impressed with what you are doing or with my support obi am support with 100 cedis minim how much we betimi minim we ne ba ko boys na won kai
we no eya na ewo mu park bia 24 pieces baku bia 150 Ghana cedis
150 Ghana cedis whether me out of me followers me here ni pa be 150 Ghana cedis me here ni pa be 50 to 100 obi answer 150 Ghana cedis and to number na ebo bonus so just 100 whether 200 cedis or even 100 cedis to 200 cedis or just send it to number we are no Africa and say oh me share video we now this is what I'm supporting we about we be ma na ohwe issues especially in the villages yankra ne bi wonum kra na sebi omo bottom anase omo the rag na ya in a time of their menstruation no omo use until make sure say with over 300 people or 300,000 people and over our video way make sure say you can just support with any little amount on the number on the screen the phone number no to join afide.
Okay, your call number there is 0248 693 833. I know your call number. And your Mumu number, you register or Bradia Foundation, do you couldn't dim 059 601 24 59 059 601 24 59. Momo name near Bradia Foundation. This is also sending you boa sa number no and a Bradia Foundation Momo number.
And you should, in case I think said the other one also should be
and your call number no person friend agent more bro video is so
okay
na e bia person sponsor person yen share ni ni
ko se bi wo hono ma bi kra send abrochefo ni bi wo mo send ade a bi wo ha with merchant ones now many challenges yeah you know na person who said no
first one so my personal number
no problem
and so momo
yeah and you should, in case we use personal number na you can call him or reach out to him say oh my you be at your personal number so with all these two numbers you can equally support with this good initiative meaning say egusuru say na asie ya nyina bi wo ho okay let me have it oh okay enti abusua ohwe mu a wutimu say asie ha nyina no Sanitary pass ni bi na guo nti bosome so a omo chema omo che de ma student no nti madam ati say
nyame adumo
number share for saying oh me ho so eden me buy bones man say na de wo hu me we abako de
nyame adum
ye for saying
bacho midin de Louise Ajigbodi amegbleto
ifwa all right me be twem na me hu say initiative way I think say I reached out na ma share me say bra na I am moton na say just for confirmation and clearance moton na say enkra no like how do you share it or say are you free but moton how do you share it
me da say ewo sa akwenye
okay
say wabeka ye ho ene no kwasem ye nton
okay
organization na say NGO no na abra no omo ye moa e de brain say ye mfama ye mama no
okay
enti uhu ne saa bosome bia so a ye ma no ye chema omo bosome bia e wo headmistress office enti bosome bia ye nim se e ma bosome na ye chima enti Bradia Foundation afa to won ho so se omo de bebre bosome bia enti e wa ha enti bosome bia no ye yi mankra no a ye mama no a ye nye won kapre
okay
de hia ne se wachima na aha na woye ba
na uchima
obankwa dia onsa beka bi nti e free ye nton
free
ye chema ye mama
oh wow nti say should in case say san no omo barber restock it right
en sakura
okay
en sakura abra no omo ba schools na eye beneficiary schools no
okay
omo ba nti we say won say wo ha say ensa
no Sunday be aba
omo ba restock it e de amaye
okay then that is very nice my memory say many students for no be so ane oma okay baby girl small brother any komo oh yeah what is saying
Pache.
Hey, how are you?
Please, I'm fine.
You're fine. What's your name?
Please, my name is Rosemond Poma.
Rosemond Poma.
Yes, please.
Young country and bro for why? We some who must come more.
Pache.
Aya munyani free anading.
Pache, nyani free.
Munyani free.
Pache.
Bosome so ana o macha mamu.
Pache.
Really?
Pache.
Nti wanya bida?
Pache.
Wanya be senda?
Pache manya 3.
3. Make us 3 months in this recent month ni na 3 months wanya bi.
Pache.
Pache. Omonton.
Pache deb.
Free.
Pache.
Wow. Baby girl be come home. Fahabra. How are you?
Please, I'm fine.
You are fine. Your first saying.
I'm from Sanitary Gloria.
Gloria. Gloria, when your sanitary pad that?
Part 1.
How many times?
I think 3 times.
You think 3 times. Were they sold to you or it was free?
It was free.
Oh, yeah, free. Mind your capre.
No.
Nti woje the coffee obia misa hwe siche bibia na, so it was strictly free.
Free every month bia odi aba na wa coffee so na wa coffee.
Wow, this is very nice. Nti eden abeka hwe omo aye omo de ba no.
Se nyankopon hwe omo fa bimra de bia.
Omo fa bimra de bia. Okay. Yeah, bompa yen so say Madam, some young crapper, and I'm a young crapper.
Young crapper.
Well, crapper, oh, that's nice. That's nice. I don't also catch a more. I am on Monday.
So, I will catch almost say, I mean, show my pa. Fitting brand no more young shall same ray a pad every month to be on. Now you be answer, and when you didn't say being your pad, a dear says you. By frame ram, shall say brave be free no. And your man says, I say, you might see a bus quiet to meet and I say, it's your day. Oh, my engine say, you won't be us.
Wow. This is very nice, Madam Browser. I'm so much impressed with what I'm seeing here, Madam. How are you, Be Mekakra? Madam, I say.
Uncle Pardon Boko.
Na frosting.
Your friend is Selina Ponsa.
Selina Ponsa. Let me try me who this IUNC. So I thought say na moton be me Madam Phobia din come students ni bi so din come. Omo share me say e free. So far so good. Anya impact bi wo students no, so positive, whether positive or negative. O anya impact bi wo students no so.
Oh, no kwasem na anya impact kama pa wo mo so esanse kane no. Na omobu omonsa na dodo na ntime mma school.
Okay.
Yankopon ya adoma yenua no de achede we bedom ye no. Ina nse mofra no wani da so omoba mpo na so omo ho bese ombenya bibia siesi omo ho nti omoba.
Okay.
Nti ama adesua ne ade kire ekoso kama pa.
Okay. Nti I hope say as time goes on so omo betime I expand no. Na minim teachers for more de kan ho ana.
Mpacho mofra ne titru nti na omode ba esanse achechre fonde meje di say obi abetimi atone de asisi ye match concern no wo mofra no so
ti no boso meso ye bia na afide ma share to mofra no meka say
ubu nsa esanse enye da ba ko na obi adi bu ne nsa
nti o time so ye na waba
baji no ye concern no wa yi ama na o de asisi
na nkwana na bi mu emfere se bia bu ha obefere se oba baji ana
sam nchire ne kasachira ya kasachira omo nti sese de omo mfere wo sa de no ho bi
am first na mo fere
first ne de na omo fere pa na sese de fere na se swat kakra enni ho no bebre se kane no nti sese de be fa ne se eyala
okay. Because now I think it's a madam ba ko suggest say let me say because of ferry nti no mo say kabosumi bia na omacha momo whether when you winya you I don't know
and also nke be boa wo pan bebre so because obi so wo ha say na me kan no ferry na wo ho ba enye e be fa ne say swat kakra ba still bi mo da so e ferry nti say wo yi man de na o de che ne bag mu de kofia obeyisu
okay. Madam medasi ye pa na mention sure nti abusia ya kana say meba this is St. Charles Basic School Watchman dimba kono na Luanga, St. Charles Luanga Basic School Watchman. So thank you very much for watching. My name is the Bones Man. If it happens to be your first time, please do well to share, like, subscribe, because I have a lot for you. And I'm sure so we bread now share. You better support it. I my brand initiative with the number under the screen, and I know mobile my number on boy. We can equally share something and I send something, a token to him. Now, even if possible, monthly, we'll be team that to say, oh man, to be as one. I sabi many young cry out more in class, you know, may talk 10 singles 111 sanitary pads now with their mom. I think this will definitely help. So thank you very much. I came to St. Charles Luanga Basic School. So a brother actually is distributing free sanitary pads every month. This is a free sanitary pad box. So when it's your time for menstruation, you only have to go and see your tutor, and then you go get your sanitary pass. So thank you very much for watching. My name is the Bonesman, and at the right time, as part of my village's visit, I know I'll be bringing you more of this. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Have a wonderful day.